and welcome techs. Today we're going to be unboxing this Fortress FT04 case from Silverstone. Was sent over to us for this video. We got this one in black. It also comes in silver. It's not your average case. So stay tuned to the end of the video and we got a big surprise for you. So, here's our GPU bracket to hold our graphics card up. We got some fan pieces to extend the fan to the edges of the case. Not sure what these are. A little sack of screws that has a hole in it. We're losing screws all over the place here. What's going on? And here's our manual. Got a couple of loose zip ties in here, some loose screws now. Huh. Well, this is weird. And it comes with these two little wires, and I'm pretty sure they're for the fans if you want to bypass the fan control. And there you have it. This is our Silverstone Fortress 04 in black. Get yours on Amazon or right from Silverstone. They make a very good product. They also carry power supplies and some cooling systems. So check them out. Silverstone. They make very good products, and it's silverstonetech.com. Like, share, and subscribe for more content. We recommend Silverstone FT04 in black or silver. Very nice case. Thanks for watching.